Yo, yo, yo. You already know who it is. Your favorite YouTuber of all time. Me. It's me again, Elijah. But pretty much, we're going to go to a car meet with Jaden and a few other people. And it's pretty much going to be a cruise to Tempe. So why did I take a picture? So we're pretty much going to be cruising to Tempe tonight with a bunch of cars. I'm going to have Jaden filming me. He's not with me right now, but he's going to be. I got oil for an oil change this week. Tripods, napkins, all this stuff, gutted back seats. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera whenever Jaden's in the car. And yeah, I got a little tripod to hold my phone so I can like do all this good stuff. You know how I be. But yeah, pick you guys up and pick it up when Jaden's here. Just got to Pierce's house. He's got the little drift build, but we're about to go wash the whips at the gas station. And yeah, this is the whip, this car. That. Now we have Pierce shooting flames. Damn! Hey, do it again! Drop the M8. Damn! Here's just filming some rollers right now for me. I don't know if you guys can see him in the rear, but he's behind me right now. He's getting some rollers. But as you guys just saw, we saw that M8 and all that good stuff. But let's see if he speeds up a little bit to get the front end of my car. He's been back there for a while, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, bro, so fuck this car wash. I was in the ones that you hand wash them, like hand rinse them. And fucking, while I was fucking doing that, the top of it, I wasn't looking at the top of my car, I don't know why, but it was leaking like green shit, like the green tire grease. So I had to, so none of the boots were open, so I just pulled into the self-drive, self-washing one. So now it's self-washing my car. And it's touchless, guys, so don't freak out. It's all touchless. So it's not touching my paint, it's just spraying it down. So it's re-washing it, and I'm gonna re-dry it, and then, yeah, bro. So I was so mad, bro. I was about to go complain, but I'm not trying to be a Karen. Just finished the whips. I got Pierce. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, this shit came out good. The whips came out crazy. At the car wash right now, but it's looking good. The Mustang, it's looking crazy. This shit looks good. Damn, the rims look clean. Damn. But we're about to go to the meet right now, and after this, we are. Oh, there's a state trooper. Turn off.
I see him.
No.
Batman.
Alright guys, so we just pretty much got to the gas station where everyone is, as you can see. From over there. Everyone's over there. I don't know who's over there, but we're gonna wait for some people line up. And then we're gonna get out of this car, because kind of in a bad area, but I don't know, there's a state trooper right there. And I did verbals when I was pulling and I got nervous. I didn't like pussy out or anything. Oh, there's a state trooper. Turn off. I revved it more.
I was filming when you said that shit.
Well, I'll see where my friends are, and then we'll get out of the car, because I'm not getting out until they get here.
Waka chaka chaka boom.
It has all the carbon package, like actually. Damn. I guarantee the plate says something. Nope. Oh shit. Damn. Whose is it?
Watch him do it, two-step.
Alright. We're gonna move on. Some over there. Shit's over there. Shit's so clean. Crazy exhaust setup. That shit's so nice. Damn. Should I get one of these for my car? The wing?
Glass pipes on this side.
No, dude, that shit's actually crazy. For the wide body, oh my god.
No, look at this yellow one in the very back. You see him?
Oh, the Aura?
Yeah, look, he got Aura.
I
I know what you
try to go to one, I think it's better. Oh, yeah. Definitely one. Alright, guys, if you can't tell already, we're watching the car leave. The cars leave. I'm about here. Damn, I'm sitting on that bed. Damn. This guy, too.
You got lucky.
Alright guys, so we found an M3. He really wanted the smoke, so had to catch back up to him. And we did. But damn, that shit's nice. Damn. Film this car a little bit.
He's downshifting.
Fuck.
Are you fully on it?
Yeah. Fuck.
This car.
No. Be careful.
It's a G8. 300 in the bankroll. 300 in the bankroll. We got best car here. M235i N55 boosted. Oh yeah, look at that smile. Look at that big old smile. Hear it?
Alright guys, so everyone's making a right now, but low-key, I think we gotta show that almost got a G80 right there. Well, he almost got one, not me. I think we need to show that what German really does.
We've been watching this whole time. Now it's our turn.
So why are we catching up?
It's just some motherfucking burbles.
Verbals?
Yo, you gotta get in front of them first. Like, you gotta get, like, next to them. You gotta show that scat what a real man is.
Fuck. Fuck.
What?
Fuck, everyone's making a left.
Shit, follow this Hemi. Battle to the hamsters. Oh.
It sounds like that.
They all get out and start jumping me. They're like, is that a fucking Beamer?
They're like, stop fucking alerting the
Is
cops.
that a fucking Beamer?
Is that, you have a fucking German? It's only Mopars here.
No, it's swapped V12.
Swap to an NAV8.
Alright, so guys, we're all on the highway, but like, low key, tell me you guys aren't just feeling Tempe right now. Like, screw all this, because like, there's not even nice cars. There's like 3, and I think I'm one of them. No ego there either. But
It's like it's like a Z01
literally-
SS, Vet,
yeah, there's-
the G80
yeah.
and us.
Yeah, there's a G80 top. Yeah, top. Let's just
G80
test back up, see what we can do.
G80 and Vet are the nicest here.
Yeah. Damn, if you look, they're fucking cutting. But easy GTR. Damn. That shit's crazy, bro. That shit's crazy. Alright guys, so it's our, hold on, trying to fix the camera. It's our arch nemesis. We're gonna, some tips today. We got some money, but we're gonna spend it.
Oh, don't show this though.
Alright, we're getting the money in right now. I should have put the bandana on. Alright. Alright, boys.
$10.
Alright, whoa. Is that one looking at you weird or?
$100,000.
Hey, 25, 25, 25.
Where's the other 25 going to?
And my mom texted me. Perfect.
No.
25 for your mama's black. Alright. Remember, last week, Grandma taught me this one. Alright, let's pray real quick for the son of Aladdin. Imagine he's like, yeah, you 3, gone, out. Alright, guys.
We won.
Next. Next.
Flower.
Dude.
More scratches.
We got the masks on.
Oh, we're ready.
We're coming for someone.
Let's go.
Hey, do this. Start barking.
No!
Louder.
No!
Bad boy!
No!
Stop it!
No!
Cheated! Stop barking!
No!
Bad little girl! Bad!
Wow. Wowzers! That was a close one. Fuck you!